Okay folks, today we're going to be making some pork sausage. They had Boston butts on sale for 99 cents a pound. I'm going to take them, cut those up, and got some pork fat here. And then here's our seasoning, and we'll make some sausage. Looking for around 24-25 pounds of sausage, and then my wife can can that up. But now just take your Boston butt and cut it up into small enough pieces to go through your meat grinder. We'll show you that process in a little bit. But right now what we're doing, we're just cutting it up and then we're going to weigh it. It says each pack of that sausage seasoning will do 25 pounds. We found, to our taste, we prefer it just around 23 pounds a bag of it to work. That's just depending on taste. It's just a little bit more spicier that way there. Bag correctly seasons 25 pounds of meat. We found this here we love this seasoning. So I'll keep on cutting up and then we'll weigh the meat up and then we'll season it. Your meat needs to be good and cool to go through the meat grinder. If you don't, your meat's not cold, it just won't grind it good. It'll just sort of make it into mush. And we'll get back to that part in just a little bit. Alrighty folks, we got the meat cut up into pieces like this here. We went and weighed it out. It's just a little bit shy of 25 pounds. We'll start seasoning. What I do, I'll generally lay it out like this here where it's spread out, and then I'll take the seasoning and just start going around it, just trying to get everything coated up like this here. Gosh, that seasoning smells good. But we'll go through, just put it around on it there. And then seasoning it up like this here, when you go to grind it, it'll help finish mixing all the seasoning up into your meat. Alrighty, then just sort of take it and mix it around like this here. Roll it around where all of it tries to get covered up. And then we'll put it back into our vessel, and we're going to actually set it in the freezer for a little bit, let it get good and chilled, and then we'll show you grinding it. You can see the seasoning all over the meat there and everything. Like I said, I bought these Boston butts for 99 cents a pound. I left some meat on the bones. We'll stick those in the freezer, and this winter, wife, whenever she goes to fix some green beans or something, drop one of the bones down in there. Then again, you can't never tell the way 2020's went so far. We may be tickled to death to have a soup bone to be a gnawing on. See any on the paper, take you a couple pieces of the meat, sort of roll it around, get it picked up. And you can see it'll just start soaking into the meat, the seasoning there. See the meat sort of taking on the color of the seasoning now. Alrighty, now we're going to grind, show the people the thing of meat here. Now we're going to start grinding it up into the sausage, and we'll see you here in just a little bit. Alrighty, here is what 25 pounds of sausage looks like. We'll fry some up, see how it is, and then tomorrow my wife's going to start canning it. She'll have another video on that. Thank y'all for watching.